Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to friend request on Roblox. This will be showing you how to send a friend request and how to accept a friend request too. So this will be for iPhone, Android and the same type of process on your computer too. So first of all, you're going to want to get to the More menu, so that's going to be on the app, will be at the bottom right with the three little dots. I think on the computer it will be at the top left. If you want to get to where you can see this More menu right here, then you're going to want to click Friends. So then first of all, if you want to add someone as a friend, what you're going to want to do is go to the search bar at the top right there, then type in like your friend's name, whatever it is. So I type in whatever it is, like I was just going to Tim for this. Search it, and then you're going to want to click on that little plus sign or little person on the right hand side of the name. It might just say send friend request if you are on the computer as well. And then once you see that little like timer pop up there, that's when you know the friend request is sent. You'll be able to like click on their thing and it will say pending. And then what they'll have to do, or you potentially if someone sent you a friend request as well, is go to friends, and then instead of going to friends on the left hand side there, you're going to want to go to requests on the right hand side of this friends page, and then right here you'll see it pop up. You'll click accept here, and that's when it will be done. So leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on the Roblox game. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.